We spec'd 6 new cars in the ugliest way we possibly could.
You always see the horribly customized boomer Corvettes and the McDonald's Ferraris with the yellow exterior and red interior, but we wanted to see how bad it could truly get.
To test this, we're gonna build 3 brand new cars from manufacturers' websites.
We're each gonna have 30 minutes to build the worst looking vehicles we can come up with. And once we're done, we're gonna reconvene and see who made the ugliest.
Let's get into it. All right, I have 3 ideas, and the last one I think is really gonna catch Patrick off guard. But the first one we're gonna start with, and I know he's gonna do one too, is a Porsche. So let's see who can make the ugliest Porsche.
All right, my first car of choice, I gotta go with the Corvette. There's no shot that I can't make an ugly, ugly car. There are way too many like convertible C5s on Facebook Marketplace that are just god-awful, so let's see what we can do.
There's not that many color choices. I'm kind of surprised. You would think Porsche would offer at least standard a handful of more colors than I think they're doing here.
The problem is I feel like they've picked up the design, so a lot of these colors actually look good now, so we're gonna have to hunt. But I think there might be some graphics that we can put on to just ruin it.
Blue, you can have some really bad combos with blue. I think I'm gonna go with shark blue.
I'm always a sucker for hating orange. Orange and yellow gotta be the 2 worst colors out there.
Wheels. Ooh, the gold wheels. That looks pretty good. But can I change the wheel color? Yes. Okay. Red. $600. Why is that's pretty cheap. I feel like for Porsche I was expecting more, but thank you. I'll paint my wheels for $600. Oh. We're 2 options in and I'm feeling pretty good about this.
Let's go with orange. Back that up, back that up. I just saw roof options. Oh, the black roof. That's nice. Full length racing stripes. Racing stripes should have died out a long time ago. Okay, now we're cooking. That is disgusting.
All right, this still looks far too appealing to me. So we're gonna go with a red and let's go for the interior. Oh my goodness. Oh, yellow. Come on, Porsche, give me some more control to make this car terrible. Carbon fiber mirror caps. Oh, the puddle lights. If you have puddle lights, I don't care if you drive a $10 million Rolls Royce. If you have puddle lights, I will think you bought them on Amazon.
Orange and blue just does not do it for me. Ooh, fender stripes. Oh my God, why can you add these? Oh gosh, looks like a tribal tattoo. All right, wheels. I feel like the C8 actually kind of stepped it up. Like some of these wheels look pretty good. The stock wheels right here, those are great. But unfortunately we have to ruin it by going bronze maybe? Okay, all right. Brake calipers, ooh. Maximum color clash. Gotta go yellow.
I'm kind of liking this car a little bit. We're gonna get rid of the accents. I think the accents help. I don't need any help. Oh, bespoke decal set. Oh, there we go. Ooh. This is what we need. All right. 4, 2, 0. Oh, and the tan. Oh, this is, ooh. I'm feeling better about this. Porsche was doing a little favors for me, but now we're getting pretty ugly. They've given me too much power. Ooh, yellow brakes though. I love yellow brakes, but not now. Oh, ooh.
Oh. Center caps. Oh God, no, the skull. Oh, bad to the bone riff is gonna start playing anytime soon.
Colored seat belts. Yes, absolutely. We're gonna go with our 3rd color of green. Why? Some of the Porsche stuff is so sensible. What the heck? Why is the fire extinguisher $180? When I wanted to add one into my E92, it was so much more expensive, and this is from Porsche. I don't understand. Interior comfort. Is there anything comfortable that is also ugly? Oh, smoking package. Patrick's not gonna know about the smoking package, but I do, and I'm happy about that.
Man, that is bad. I feel like they should just not offer this baby blue. It's so ugly. Seatbelt color. You know we have to match the brake calipers. Oh, now we're cooking. Body color accents. I don't even know what it's gonna look like, but it's gotta look worse. High wing. already know. I will say, the fact that they offer a car cover that's like patterned after the C8 race car is really cool. That's kind of a neat feature. I don't know.
I think that's my Porsche. I'm pretty happy with this. We got the red wheels, we got the yellow brakes, we got the blue exterior, and the seats with the white inlays and the green seat belts. I think this is about as bad as you can get for a GT3RS. I don't think any cars ever looked really good with the blue on red.
Oh, that's bad. That's bad. All right, we're cooking. Oh, that's rough. That's perfect for what we need. Now it doesn't match at all. It's got a ton of black, ton of orange, just random bits of yellow thrown in, some red on the fender for good measure. Beautiful. And by beautiful, I mean horribly ugly.
All right, I think I'm in a crunch for time, so we're gonna go right into number 2. I'm going to go to BMW. They have a pretty good configurator, and the reason that sparked this is I saw one of the M8 Grand Coupes, the 4-door, and I feel like despite those cars being so expensive, everyone goes out of their way to make them as ugly as possible. I feel like I have not seen a good example of that car in the wild yet.
I think a Porsche will be my next target. A 911, there's so many options. There's gotta be some way to make it just atrocious. So let's head on over to Porsche.com.
Ooh, the XM. That's just an ugly car to begin with. Ooh. I think I have to go with the M8 Grand Coupe. I really want to like this car, but something about this styling is just not for me.
My one worry with Porsche though, I feel like they might not have the paint colors I'm looking for, but we'll try it on the Carrera. Oh, I'm already seeing yellow, I take it back. We can make this work. I'll try yellow. What's yellow looking like? Ooh, it's a nice mustard color.
See, like right now, this is great, but we can go worse. Ooh, that's pretty nice. BMW, there are very few BMW paint colors I do not like. We're gonna stick with the red and hope we can come up with a bad combo.
I do not like these old school wheels. There's just it looks like it belongs in the 60s. Glass black. Ooh, exterior colors. Hold the phone.
Ooh, those look like those really bad E-Series Gen wheels they're putting on the like 328. This is good, this is good. Oh, woo. I would have to like wrap myself in saran wrap to enter this interior. This would get dirty instantly. I see yellow. Ooh, why did they put this stitching pattern on it? This is gross. It looks like a sheet of like Charmin toilet paper.
I'm not feeling it. I think I gotta do the other style wheel also in yellow, just to drive it home that this is a yellow car. All right, what do we got for the interior? I feel like Porsche interior is gonna be a tough one to make ugly. Let's see. Ooh, choice of color. Ooh, red and choice of color.
This is harder than I thought it would be. This car, I almost like, but in the spirit of the challenge, I'm gonna stick with it.
Why can you order this? Why can you order this? Oh boy. But I will take a rear wiper. I do not like rear wiper. I know a lot of like Porsche purists are like, I love the rear wiper. Rear wiper, ugly. Don't like it. I'll get the wallet, you know. Come on. You're spending $150,000 on a disgusting, horrible color. You need a wallet to match. They don't even offer yellow as a wallet color. You can paint the car yellow, you can paint the wheels yellow, you can paint the seat belts yellow, but you can't get yellow leather? Come on. It doesn't look that bad from the front, and then you see the side, and it's just atrocious.
I think I'm gonna go with a Jag. I think Jag is a pretty good configurator, and I've seen some ugly Jags.
All right, 2 out of 3 done. I'm thinking I gotta go more exotic for the next one. I'm thinking Lamborghini and I think a Urus. There's definitely some really gaudy customization you can do. So let's see if we can get that going.
Ooh, the I-Pace. It's the car of the future. There's only one. You would think there'd be different trim levels, huh?
Let's see how the Lamborghini car configurator does. I gotta go matte. Matte bright green is a look. Wish there was like a pink or something. Maybe there is with shiny. I like that they call it shiny as opposed to like metallic or something. Ooh, purple would be beautiful. Oh, we're just making the Evangelion car now. That's actually kind of sick. I need to not do that. That would be cool looking, so.
Ooh, yes please. I don't think I've ever seen a matte black car I've enjoyed. This car looks plasti dipped. It looks like Fonzie Dip Your Car came over and sprayed this in the darkest matte black he had available. Sometimes white interiors look really good, but I think generally they're pretty tough. It's not as bad as I wanted it to be, for being honest. I feel like Jag used to have a lot more customization options than they do now, but this is an okay car. I think I'm a little disappointed with this one, but I think in the sake of time, it's gonna have to do. And this is probably more of a Wes personal preference than like a generally, yeah, we all hate this kind of car. But we'll see what Patrick thinks. We're back and we've cooked up 3 stinkers each. So we're gonna get right into them. We're gonna do mine first, then we're gonna go over Patrick's and see who dropped the biggest stinker in today's video.
Oh!
So the first thing I said was, I know Patrick's gonna make a Porsche.
You are correct, you are correct. I made a 911.
I didn't originally want to make a Porsche, but I was like, I need to compete against Patrick's Porsche. So I went and did this.
Okay.
This Porsche is kind of okay.
Okay.
And the interior, I could not get it as bad as I wanted it to be.
I had the same problem.
But the exterior is pretty bad. And there's one option that doesn't show on these images that's far worse.
Is it the side decal? Okay.
What number? You can see the numbers now.
Okay,
but
good.
I did it in brown. I've never seen an M8 Grand Coupe spec'd the way I like on the street. They're always terrible, so I wanted to build one of those. This is my M8 Grand Competition Coupe.
That looks wonderful.
The paint color's cool. I got the worst wheels. These are the smallest wheels, and they remind me of like the base 328 wheels.
Okay, yeah, I can see that.
But the interior combo, I think, is really where this comes into play. So these cars have the like Charmin Ultra Strong quilted toilet paper innards from buckets. And this like kind of peanut butter color on the black is pretty atrocious. And I think that coupled with the red is pretty bad.
Yeah, that's tough.
Number 3,
okay.
Again, I was thinking this would be kind of a sleeper. So I built an I-Pace.
Ooh.
Which
it's just black.
Again, you can't customize it a whole lot.
Ah, interesting.
But I have never seen a matte black car I have liked.
Yeah.
And I think getting a satin finish from the factory, especially in matte black, is just stupid. I feel like you get bored of it. And
you can't polish it.
Yeah, you can't polish it. It's hard to clean. You'd better off with a wrap. So I did that. I picked the bad wheels and the interior. This is just kind of like average EV owner buys a car spec. It's not a bad car, and I think the whole world is not gonna go, yes, that's terrible.
Yeah,
but
I think the matte is the biggest offender.
Yeah, I think the matte is the biggest offender, and it's a car I personally really hate, so.
Unlike you, I've made some stinkers.
You have made some stinkers, well, we'll see.
All right, you weren't thinking American enough.
Well, I wanted to do a Corvette, but I knew you would also make a Corvette.
You're absolutely.
Oh, the Nickelodeon spec?
All right, so not only is this Corvette orange,
I like the pinstripe.
It has 2 different sets of pinstripes.
The
body color.
The wheels and the body color, I don't mind as much.
Really?
As I
yeah. So we got blue, navy blue, and baby blue interior.
It's not that bad.
It could be worse.
It could be worse.
I also made a Porsche.
So you made a Carrera. I regret making a GT3 because they give you less options to customize.
I picked the base.
So that was... Ooh, the lemon. Oh, the wheels. Porsche has some stinker wheel choices.
You can body color match your wheels. And the interior, by the way?
By itself, it's pretty Ronald McDonald.
It's pretty Ronald McDonald.
If the seatbelts weren't there, it would look okay.
These seats are blue, by the way. It doesn't show on this image, but you can get a custom half red, half whatever color, and one of the options is blue.
That's tough.
We gotta show off the bespoke decal.
That improves it. The number makes it better. When you take the number away, worse.
Yeah. Then for my final, I went Italian.
Ooh, I've seen that car. I've seen that car driving around Southern California.
It's matte lime green.
That's kind of a Lamborghini color, though.
It is kind of a Lamborghini color. The problem is all the colors are cool as hell.
Interior's not.
It's
by
not
itself,
that
it's
bad.
not that bad.
It's not that bad. But when you see like the center cap of the lime green or the mirror cap, you can kind of tell that there's just some disgusting things in here.
I think the Porsche takes it. I think the Porsche gets the stinker of the vid trophy.
Yeah, I'm with you there. If you are blowing damn near $160,000 on a car that looks like this, reevaluate your life choices.
Shame on you. Well, I think the one thing we have concluded is that it's more difficult to make a stinker of a car than you might think.
Definitely.
I think you really have to just be that boomer Corvette guy.
Yeah.
And it just has to come naturally.
Yeah.
I don't think you can force it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed this. There'll be probably more of these kind of informal sit down coming. So thanks for watching.
All right, see you in the next one.